Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to set up your chat widget. This chat widget is going to Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. On this video, we're going to set up your chat widget. Your chat widget is set up on your website. We're also going to be putting it on select squeeze pages. That varies, but we want a chat widget on your website because in most cases, websites do not have a clear call to action other than call us for a free estimate or sign up for our newsletter. Most people aren't going to do either of those, but they do want to text back and forth and get their questions answered. So your chat widget is going to basically look like this down here, where they click on it and then they can go ahead and put their phone number and their question right in here, and it'll come directly to your phone or whoever your designated salesperson is or tech person or whoever it is that you're sending that message to. It'll go right there. Now, if you also would like to have, or instead would like to have a video chat widget, then let me know. We'll talk about that too. It's basically the same thing. Hey, what's going on? Go ahead and set up your video chat widget, and it connects directly to, it won't look like this on your phone. It looks much better on the phone, but it connects directly to the chat widget within the APBM portal. So we can connect it right there, so you're getting everything you need right there in one spot. So to set up this chat widget, all you got to do is once you log in, go down to Sites, and then over here across the top, come to Chat Widget. You click on the chat bubble. You're going to set up your chat bubble. You can change this image here. You can either put your logo, put a picture of yourself, whatever you want to do. Put your message here. I like to have a little bit of fun, so I say, I am not a bot. What are your questions? Text here. I want to make sure that they know they can text. So that's what that's going to look like. You can enable the chat bubble here. I encourage you to do that. Return visitors. You're going to have people that come back to the website. So you don't want them to have the same exact message every time. So you want to say, hey, welcome back, and it'll pick up their name. What can we do for you? That's super impressive to people that return back. So that's real simple. Then the actual pop-up, the widget window, you want to put your header, which goes right up here. Don't worry about this. Even though you changed your image back here, it's still going to be the image here. Just this is the way they have the layout. So then you put your intro message here, whatever you want it to be, something like this example. They're going to put their information down there. You can add an email field if you like, if you want to capture their email, which actually is a good idea. But here's the cool thing, little pro tip here. What's going to happen is the system is so cool that when they send a text message back and they want some information, all you got to say is, hey, go ahead and provide your email address and I'll send that information to you. Well, when they reply in the chat with their email address, it's going to automatically populate in that contact file. So when you come over here to contacts, where are we at? When you come over here to contacts here, or anywhere in the opportunities area, their email's already going to be entered in there automatically because they replied to the text message with the email. So then you can change this, send it, or let's go, or something like that. And of course, the legal stuff, you got to make sure you have the legal stuff down here, so we don't get in trouble. Now you can color code this to your colors. If it's not blue or whatever color this is, you can change it to whatever color you want, and that would be this kind of this bubble here would be a different color, and this background here would be a different color as well. So then you obviously check your language and stuff, and your agency branding, that's my branding. That's what I do on my end. You'll see that I have the brand down there in many cases. Now the acknowledge settings, once they receive the information, the customer support contact, you can put that in here if you want to, but I usually leave that blank. Acknowledge, hey, I got your question, or whatever you want to reply back. It can be a little bit better than that. Got it. One of us will be with you shortly. Or it could be something like, hey, thanks for asking this question. Somebody will be with you shortly. Something of that nature. And then you're done. Click Save. When you click Save, and by the way, I'd tell you to go ahead and click Save after each one of these. Every time you change one of these, go ahead and click Save. Then you can take this code and you can copy this code and put it into your website. And that's a story for another day. I'll show you how to do that because I got to look at depends on where your website's hosted. But basically it goes up in the header. Whoever built your website can probably set this up for you. Just send this code to them and say, hey, can you put this code? It's a chat widget. Copy here. Send it directly to them. And that way they will go ahead and load it up on your site. They should know where it goes. If not, let me know. We'll figure it out together. I mean, I know where it goes, but it depends on if it's in WordPress or wherever it goes. So that way your chat widget shows up down here in the bottom. It'll be the same thing with this one. It's set up much simpler, only it's a video instead of and if you want to see a sample of this, just go to wallyrecommends.com. You can see the sample of this video. All right, on to the next tutorial. And if you missed anything, go back to the other tutorials. You can click on one of the videos up here to go to the next step. Talk to you soon. And as usual, let me know if you have any issues with this.